Jamaica. Yo. You know the truth exists though, people. Truth exists in the people. Cause a whole heap of things don't make sense to me. But guess what I do? I make sure I go and I go do some research. I have data on my phone. Sometimes I get to go to internet cafe and go read few books and go do some research. But truth dead ain't no people. It burn me for Jamaican people hard. Cause them walk around like say them know a lot. And the truth is them don't know nothing. Not even the clear facts. Freemasons control everything in Jamaica from 1742. From the time we are physical slave till we become both mental and physical slave through them. Now, we are celebrate a whole heap of things. And Christmas is one of them. And I get to it cause something right, people. And we need to do some research. Now, free will through emancipation, so them emancipated from slavery. Then them give we independence from a set of people. Who them set of people then? We never free from the English. We never free from the English people. Now me have to laugh because when I think when I free then me have to feel shame because me I wanna know. But not like who know. Why? It rough for me because I know. Still I know who create me. So it's cool. Now Christmas right around the corner. So now Jamaicans get extra stupid because the brainwashing has been set. These people make you spend half of the money when you save the liquor. When you don't even have much, because them not go no much. And them have more than what them need. Plus them raise everything. Light, water, food, clothes, tax. But them get tax break and we never get none. But my black people, as their slave masters program them to. Now, me I gonna explain this evil. Where I gonna get everybody right in hell. First, your calendar. I free me so them make it. Understand it. And you think you understand it, but you are tell a lie. The calendar there are pure evil and come from evils. Them sacrifice people at specific times. This calendar split in a 4. You have winter solstice, where we in a now. Spring equinox, summer solstice, and autumn equinox. Each section, if you do the maths, 13 weeks each. Long, people. 13 is not a nice number when you check it in on my brother. And my sister. And 13 means self-perfection for them Freemasons, meaning them gain perfection without any assistance from the Creator. So how you are going to do that? You intelligent and knowledgeable about everything so much that even you surpass the Creator. 6 mean man, and 7 mean perfection. When you put 6 plus 7, it equals 13. Now for them perfection come through the worship of the devil, some creature will make out of fire. Them are no angel neither, people. I lie the whole lie church them I tell. And every first and third day of every month, them people are sacrifice somebody. That's why killing can't stop. Because of them promote it. Them not care about crime. Them not care about positive. Them not care about righteousness. Them people are not care about it. And negative energy them deal with. For the Satan ritual and worship evil creatures where hate mankind. You call them Satan, demon, dopey. Some people say ghost. Some people say, what them call them in India? Them call them Puta, some over in some Asian country, them call them pochang, or them people say alien or unidentified being. I want set a creature them here, people. Don't make them trick you. The same as them I use them trick you. I want set a creature as them. All of them are the same. And we are going to explain that later. Now people, knowledge that they know. Videos that they know, people. Whole heap of articles dead, you know. You know, do some real life work, no man. Christmas or December is known as Yule. It's paganism, just like the calendar and the months of the year. It starts from 21st of December and February 14th on Valentine's Day. And you know, say that is not a day. None of them was given to us by the Creator for doing a people. And people get sacrificed on the 22nd. Them have sex orgy. So a sex orgy when one whole heap of people group up together and them no matter if a man or a woman, them do them thing. And so a man or a woman included, and even animal to any age. And the 24th is major sacrifice, human or animal, any age. And then them send the body part of the dead boy baby them to each other as Christmas gift. Where we do people, I imitate them people here, we imitate them things here in our lesser form. And we not care if you know, say, we are rebel against the Creator. And I help them evil people, I sacrifice people, and worship evil creation. The whole calendar, evil. Now Christmas is pagan. And Jamaican like use word where them don't know about. You can do some research, people. And Christmas come around when they say the days grow long and the night them get short. And pagans usually burn a thing called Yule log as a part of the celebration. Them say since the sun reverses itself in the sky, it's a sign. Say the sacrifice them what them doing within the October, what them call Halloween, where Jamaican celebrate now. It say the sacrifice them accepted by the demons them what them the devils them what them sacrifice them to. Cause God go research in the Bible, Isaiah chapter 65 verse 11. And me I tell you na whole heap of knowledge out there. It will tell you who God is. And then them sing one little song called Deck the Hall with boughs of holly, troll the ancient Yuletide carol. See the blazing Yule before us. Fa la 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 la. People, something wrong with you, no? The Catholic them change that day there to December 25th. And them call it Christmas. And people globally follow this road to hell. Running up and down, buying this type of food, that type of food, buy this type of decoration, that type of decoration, and don't even understand why. Like headless chicken, headless fall. Uno creator tell you if you do that. And then them say Jesus born on that day there. Which I whole heap a lie. Because when you really do the check out of this thing, the birth of Jesus, is all a pure astrology, people. And astrology is the next thing your creator tell you if you stay away from. Now, 3 wise men, a 3 star in the sky. And the Illuminati and whole heap of pagan them globally over the world will control. We know this, me people. Now, them 3 wise men here, a 3 star, and them follow one brighter star in the sky. The brightest star in the sky when name Sirius. Them call it Sirius. And Sirius, guess what Sirius point? Sirius point to the direction where the sun itself arise, my brother and sister. Where the sun was created by the creator, the only high. Rise every morning. This is the same sun them people you worship. I say it's the son of God. Because it have some, because me tell you say the devil them make out of fire. So it's a kind of a way you would call it now. A representation. Remember, check Egypt. Check over in India. Check out with all of the religion them. I want to find out. Because we life outside a religion. Because religion is paganism people. Now, at this time of the year, in certain part of the world, the sun rise every day for 3 days in the same spot. Then on the 3rd day, it just go up further than wait when come the other 2 days. People are whole heap of knowledge there. Whole heap of knowledge there. I want to go do some research now, man. We are going to continue.